Lovely. So I wanted to show you a video of me using our new shampoo bar, okay? So it has been wet. My hair has been wet. I'm going to apply it to my hair. This is my first time using it. And I want it to be, of course, the first one to demonstrate. So this is what the bar looks like. I'll show you right here. I'm gonna set it to the side. You see all the lather, it lathers. I'll give you a close-up. First time using it. It is new and it will be available on the site. I'm going to give more information about what's in it. Oh, it feels so good. Lots of lather, as you can see. And I will be back shortly after I rinse it out.